it's Rita and Tammy again, the driver team, All Stars Realty. And now, as you see, we don't wear the same clothes to work every day, but since we're giving you part one and part two of what to expect at closing, we gave you the seller side, so we switched seats. So now we can give you the buy side. And we just kind of wanted to switch it up and have a little fun with it. So what happens for our buyers is once we go under contract, guys, you know that we start lining up home inspections, termite letters. We're working with your lender. But there are a few other things that happen in the process, which is your closing attorney. And they are going to start. Tammy actually sends them the contract, and you're going to ask them for some information. Tammy, what are you going to ask them for?
I am going to ask them for their social security number. I'm going to ask them for their mortgage company. I'm also going to ask about homeowners insurance. And all of that information will be sent to the closing attorney so that they'll be able to get everything lined up to hopefully have a very smooth transaction and no surprises. We don't want to get it to the closing table and all of a sudden, oh my gosh, we forgot to do X, Y, and Z. So
one of the things that the title company is doing actually after Tammy sends forth the contract and an attorney worksheet with all that information on it, one of the things that we have found that the closing office is doing is checking the title for you. I often get questions from a buyer that says, how do we know the title is good? What if there's some other lien or some other problem with this house that I'm going to be stuck with having to pay for? You're not stuck with having to pay for that. We have an excellent closing attorney. His name is Drew Johnston with River Bluff Title. He is also an attorney who is extremely actively litigious in court. And that's why I chose him as our closing office, because he is very methodical, goes through the title work, the paperwork himself. He's not handing it over to someone else. So he's checking those things, any HOA liens, any HOA fees, homeowners association fees. And remember, homeowners association fees and homeowners insurance are two entirely different things. They're not the same thing. However, hazard insurance and homeowners insurance are often interchangeable terms. So when I'm asking you for your homeowners insurance, the title company may be asking you who is your hazard insurance with, as well as your lender will. We help you to get that in place if you need help. Otherwise, we generally send you to whoever it is that you currently have homeowners insurance, renter's insurance, or auto insurance with. There are a lot of discounts involved, and you need to ask for those. But again, those are things that Tammy and I can help you with. We want to make sure that you know also there are things that go on the back side. Your loan has to fund at the closing table, meaning that your lender has to give the money to your closing attorney in order for you to even think about getting keys. So the time to ask about keys is right here. The people to ask about keys are right here. And we love answering those questions because we enjoy and appreciate the opportunity to hand you the key to your dream home when we know we have successfully closed. The closing attorney does not have your keys. They're not going to know, and they do not negotiate possession of any property. So we just kind of want to give you that little tidbit of information up front to save them some hassle and headache, make you at ease, and to know that you're in really good hands with us when we get ready to close. After 25 years of experience, I think I've almost gotten to a point where I can head off anything, and what I can't head off or take care of or handle, Tammy does. We handle a lot of details behind the scene that you don't even need to be involved in. Your home inspection, we're there with you every step of the way. So when you get ready to buy or you get ready to sell and buy, remember, we're going to be flipping some hats and we'll be looking at things from both perspectives. So we are your real estate experts, and we want to earn your business and to work with you for generations to come. I'm Rita Driver.
I'm Tammy Lee.
We are the driver team, All Stars Realty, 901-387-1199.